Hey guys, here's how to use DeepSeek AI on WhatsApp in 2025. Open your Contacts app and enter +34 613 333 and 300. Tap Create a new contact and name it as DeepSeek. Now wait for WhatsApp to detect it automatically. It's going to take a couple of seconds. Once WhatsApp has detected it, tap on DeepSeek and start a chat. You can type hi and it should reply instantly. Ask who are you and it'll tell you DeepSeek R1. Remember, this is a third-party setup, not an official feature, so it may not always be secure. And that's it!